What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how you can create global custom colors within HighLevel and how you can even import custom colors from your custom values within our brand boards infrastructure. Let me show you how it works. To find your global custom colors, go to marketing and then go to brand boards, and then we can click global settings in the top right. This is where we can create custom fonts and custom colors. Now, custom colors we can navigate to by clicking add, and then we can either add new or import. Now, a lot of us already have custom colors set up within custom values because we want to use them in multiple places in our sub account. So if you have, you can click import, and then it will automatically pick up values that you have in your custom values if you already have this set up, and then you can simply click import. So if you're using the entire custom values process as of now, you can now import them into the global custom colors instead of using custom values, just like that. And then of course we can obviously create new colors by clicking add at the top right and then clicking add new. This will show up a color picker where we can select our color. We can also designate if we are selecting the color based on hex codes or RGB as well. So both are supported. And of course we can paste in our own hex codes as well. We can even use an eyedropper on the right hand side to find anything on our computer and then use that as our custom color. We can then click save, and then this will now save within our global custom colors. We can even change the titles of these by clicking edit and then change the title here or whenever we are creating them. So this allows us to use these colors similarly to the other colors that we have found within our brand boards as global custom colors. If we have lots of custom colors, then we can select how many rows per page we're going to see, as well as which page we are on. We can also filter these to see them in a grid view or in a list view. And from either of these views, we can copy the actual color as a custom value here, or edit it or delete it as well. Now, these are great because we can use them in a couple of different spots in our sub accounts. For example, here we are in a funnel. We can go ahead and use this color for things like, let's say, the background of this section. We can go ahead and see it under color. By selecting background color, we can then see our global custom colors here. We can select it right from here. And if the colors ever change, then it will be automatically updated across our funnels and in any of the places where this color is being used. This is great because you can manage your colors from one place and then have them update across funnels, across webinars, across templates. Everywhere where you need these colors to update, you can have them update automatically now from the brand boards and global custom colors section. This is really cool and I really love this feature, so I hope you get some use out of it. As always, my name is Andrew and thank you very much for watching.